Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to fix Windows recent CrowdStrike issue. For that, just restart your PC and you will get this window, and here just click on advanced option and here click on command prompt, and it will open command prompt window, and here just type this command. You can find this command on video description. Type del space c /windows /system 32 /drivers /CrowdStrike /c-00000 291. Hit enter, and after that just restart your PC, and your issue will be resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share, and subscribe for future videos.